if you are about to sell or give away your Roku or just having some issues with it, you may need to do a factory reset. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that now on your Roku device. What we need to do from the home screen is actually scroll down to settings, and in settings, we need to roll down to system, and in system, we'll roll down to advanced system settings. And this is where we'll find our factory reset. Now, make sure that you're reading this because that's not asking for a specific or R code, right? That is asking for a code that it gives you. So down at the bottom, it says 6921. You're just going to put this in, and that's how you're going to confirm that you actually want to factory reset this thing. Then you'll hit OK, and then you'll start your factory reset. Now remember, a factory reset is resetting this thing back to the day that you bought it. You're going to lose everything. So I'm not going to do that right now, but that is how you're going to do that on a Roku device. Now, if you're having issues, you can do a network connection reset. You can do some other things that are less drastic, like, unplugging it for a while and just letting it chill and then plugging it back in. I know it sounds like super easy, but hey, that's one of the biggest tech troubleshooting tips there is. But yeah, that's the video for today, guys. I hope it helped. If it did, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.